Good afternoon. This is Sue Scheets, and I'm here today to show you some more ideas that you can use with your designer paper. Today I'm going to show you how to take 4 similar pieces of designer paper, cut them all the same direction, and come up with 4 really cute cards. So let's turn the camera around and see how to do this. Okay, I took one of the designer papers from the holiday catalog. I think it's called Country Living, and I found 4 designs from that paper that I really liked. I love the colors in this one, so then I flipped it over and I used this contrasting color. I liked the stripe because it had this raspberry color and crushed curry, and then I liked this color because it had the mint macaron. It kind of reminds me of cotton balls. So the first step you're going to do is to take these are measured 4 by 5 1/4, by the way, and put them in a compact pile together. And what I did was I found these wonderful directions from KlompenStampers.com. This is a free download, and it gives you perfect cutting instructions. So first thing I'm going to do is cut this whole stack at 2.5 inches. So here we go. I'm going to lay this up. Here's my stack. Lay it against the 2.5 inch mark. Bring the arm down. Make sure I've got the cutting blade and cut. I cut a couple of times to make sure I got through all the layers. And then here is, see, and I didn't get through all the layers, so I'm just going to move these over and move these over and cut some more. There. Now I'm going to put these underneath the pile because I want them in the same order that I started with. All right, so that is step number 1 here. Cut at 2.5 inches. And this tells you the measurement that's left. All right, now cut number 2 is to cut at 3 inches. So I'm going to turn this around, lift it up, lay it at the 3 inch mark, make sure my stack is all composed together, and now I'm going to cut at 3 inches. And once again, I didn't get the whole stack, so I'm going to just take what I have, put it off to the side, put the rest in here at 3 inches, and cut. And now I have my second stack. Now I'm going to lay them down right next to me here, exactly how I found them. So there we go. All right, that was step number 2. And cut number 3 is to take this long area right here, these pieces, and cut them at 2 inches. Oops. Got this pile. Oops. There it is. All right, so I'm going to take this stack and make sure it's all together. Cut it at 2 inches. Lay it down on my cutting plate at 2 inches and cut. And there's the top stack. And here's the bottom stack. And then I'm going to do that one more time. Lay it against the 2 inch mark and cut. Put this on the bottom. Put this underneath. All right, now I can kind of take this away. And so now I'm going to show you how easy it is now to get your 4 cards. So I've got my 4 piles, and I've already cut and scored 4 pieces of white paper. So I am going to lay them up here. I think I'll move this over to the side because I want you to be able to see how you can put these on your card base. All right, here we go. Let's see if you can see that. I'll kind of move it a little bit. All right, so I'm going to take the top one on this pile and put it right here. the top one on this pile and put it on the next card, the top one on this pile and put it on the next card, and the top one on the last pile and put it over in the lower right hand corner. Now I've already got one this size, so I'm going to start over to the next card. So I'm going to put this one in the top left hand corner, then take this one wait a minute. All right, I'm getting myself confused. All right, take this one on the top right hand corner, this one on the bottom left hand corner, and this one on the bottom right hand corner. All right, now I'm ready for my next pile. So I already got this one and this one, so I'm going to go right here. Then the next one is going to go right next door. The next one is going to go back to my first card. The next one is going to go back to my second card. Now if I did this right, let me see if you can, I'll kind of guide you for each card. All right, so I already have this, so this should fit here, and now I have all 4 pieces on that card. Now my next one is the long one, and there it fits right there. Turn it around. So now I have all 4 pieces on that card. This next one fits right here. I have all 4 pieces on that card. And my last one fits over here. And now I have all 4 pieces on each card. So with just a little bit of cutting and placing, I now am ready to have 4 very simple cards made with designer paper. Now right here, I did some already with the Be Merry designer paper in the annual catalog. No, I'm sorry, in the holiday catalog. So there's one design. There's the second design. Same 4 papers, just different positions. The third card, same 4 papers, just different positions. And the fourth card, same 4 papers. So if I spread these out, you can kind of trace each design. Put them this way. Put them this way, Sue. They're easier to see. You can kind of see the path that here's the green in the upper corner, in the lower corner, in the lower right, and the upper right. And there's the beautiful holly print in 4 different positions. The red, which is poinsettias, in 4 different positions, and the ornaments in 4 different positions. So this is a really fun technique. You could take any designer paper that you liked and do the same thing. And like I said, I want to make sure I give credit to the Klompen Stampers. You can download this for yourself if you go to klompenstampers.com. Thank you for watching, and come back next Tuesday for another video on how you can use your designer paper in a very creative way. Happy stamping!